We're going to simplify this. We're going to say 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2 to the third, plus 2 times 2 times 2 again, times, I keep making the point that if you're next to the parentheses, you're multiplying. 2 times 2 is 2 squared, times, doesn't say 2, but it means 2. We're looking for twins, so 4 times 4 is 16. So I take one of those twins, 4. Minus, doesn't say 2, but it means 2, unless it says something else. We're looking for twins, so 3 times 3 is 9, so I take one of the twins. And then times, here's my next parentheses. Again, looking for twins, 3 times 3, I just take one of them. Plus, 2 times 2, that's 4. I guess I should write that. I've been doing that all along. I guess I'll say 2 times 2. And then close the parenthesis, and then close the bracket. Okay, so now let's collect up some pieces here. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Plus, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And I'm not going to add those together yet because I have to multiply by the bracket before I'm putting the dot there just to remind you that we're multiplying. 2 times 2 is 4, times 4 take away 3, that's 1. Now, some of you have wanted to go, each one, and you could do that, but boy, that's a lot harder, so I wouldn't do that if I were you. I do the inside as 1, times the next one, which is 3 plus, what's 2 times 2? Well, that's 4. Okay, and we close the parenthesis there. And then let's see, inside the parentheses some more. 4 times 1 is 4, times 3 plus 4 is 7, so 4 times 7. A lot of times we have there's another plus thing inside, but inside the brackets this time it's all multiplication, so we get 28. And we remind ourselves, oh yeah, there was an 8 out there. 8 times the 28, and oh yeah, there was a plus 8 also, plus 8. So of course we're going to do the multiplication first. We're going to say 8 times 28, and I'd rather just pick up my calculator at this point. 8 times 28, and that's 224. And then at the very end, I'm finally going to get to add that 8, but not before I get to the end and I finish the multiplication. So I add 8 and I get 30. I was going to just write 32. It's 232. Okay, 232, that's my answer.